Good day, students. Today we're going to learn some basic skills so that you can make a poster using Google Drawing. The first thing that we're going to do is change the background color of our poster. You'll need to do that by right-clicking. That's a two-finger click on the touchpad on your Chromebook. The next thing that we're going to do is add an image to our poster. So we're going to go to Insert. The other place that you can go is right here to this icon. Insert, Image, and then we're going to search the web. Find an image that we like, click on it, click Insert. Something new that's in Slides and Drawings now is that you can remove the background from photos. And the way to do that is to right-click on the image, and you'll see this is a new feature, Remove Background. All right, let's add some words to our poster. So we can do that right here by creating a text box. Here's where you control the font that you're going to choose and the size of the font. Change the color here. Let's add a shape to our poster. Here's our Shapes menu. I'm going to use a call out. And let's give our penguin a cell phone. So let's search for one. And I want to make it look like the penguin's holding the cell phone. So I'm going to send it to the back so it looks like it's in under his other flipper. The way to do that is to change the order of the objects. You can do that by right-clicking and choosing Order. And there you go.